Ready to unlock a world of Xbox games and subscriptions using that AMEX gift card burning a hole in your pocket? First, power on your Xbox and navigate to the Microsoft Store. You'll find it on your home screen or within your apps library. Once you're in the store, look for your profile icon, usually in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Select it to open up a menu of options. From the menu, choose Payment Options. This is where we'll add your AMEX gift card as a payment method. Now, select Add a credit or debit card. Don't worry. This works perfectly fine for AMEX gift cards. The system treats them the same way. Carefully enter the AMEX gift card number, expiration date, and the security code found on the back of the card. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Next, you'll need to enter a billing address. This is important. Use the address associated with the gift card. If you don't know it, you can usually find it on the gift card packaging or by visiting the AMEX gift card website. Once you've added the card and the billing information, you can browse the Xbox Marketplace and start using your gift card. When you choose a game or subscription, simply select your AMEX gift card as the payment method during checkout. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy your new Xbox content. All thanks to your American Express gift card. Happy gaming!